Yeah, as you know, this is Greg Vibes again. Yeah, doing another video clips. Yeah, everybody's talking about dry mixed concrete. Well, we're gonna try it out right now. You know, doing a slab to put my garbage bins on. So let's see how this work out. All right, and you could give your comments down the bottom and just subscribe. All right, I'm right here. All right, let's get down to this. It's just finishing up winter right here, but we got good weather, so we could get things done. All right. So that's one bag we already put down. Video's rolling much faster, but we already put down 7 bags, so putting down another 7. Doing a slab here by say 30 by 12. Get 6 garbage can on it, so gotta keep them clean, All right. Man, you think these not heavy? Yeah, these 80-pound bags. In a weather like this, you'll find them heavy.